Hey, what's up, guys? Eisenheim here. So I got my comma device. Um, so unboxing video. Okay, let me get something to protect the car. Okay, let me. So I just got it today. There you go. Let me see. How does it work? Okay. So here you go. Let's open it. Voila. And there's the free gift. Wow, I'm 1111. That's nice. I like that. 1111. 111. Let's go. Okay. Here's for and here's the C4, the comma 4, and here's a lighter for. I don't have a. I don't have. I ate the banana last night, so for scale. Okay, and I think here is where. So I got the harness. So for those the newbies that just bought, so you're gonna need a harness for the car. So you're gonna need this one, okay? And I'm sorry. And here's the ODB or whatever for power. Okay. So I already have this set up. So this is just my backup for troubleshooting. Okay. And here's the cable, USB-C cable. Okay, it's nice. Okay. Then if you want to set up, go to comma AI setup, okay, or just scan it with your camera. And here you have to take it out. I think the mount, let me see. So here's the comma 4. Okay. Again, here's the lighter for scale. Okay. So the bottom is almost the length of the size of the lighter, and this is, I think, is the mic and speaker. Not sure. Okay. And here's a DM camera and the fan. Okay. Okay, let me try the click. If it's gonna click in very nicely. That's the USB inside. Okay, let me try it. Not bad. So, did you hear the click? So, there you go. Here's the C4. So, I'm looking for the mount. they forgot the mount. What on earth? Okay. Oh, here. Sorry. It's over here. Okay. So check the box. The mount will be here. There you go. Okay. So it's not together with all the accessories. So don't throw away the boxes right away. So you have to check this part for the mount, because you need this one to attach to the windshield. Okay, and it comes with white, and they give you two mounts. Okay, and there you have it. So here's the mount. Here's the C3. And here's the coma power. And here's the harness. Okay, and here's my 111 keychain. I love it. And for scale, lighter. And there you have it, guys. Thank you.